Today we're gonna show you how to operate an assault rifle, AR15. So to release your magazine, you're gonna press this button right here. Press that, your magazine will release. This is your charging handle, charge the weapon. The bad lever here is hooked up to the bolt release, which if you pull back and hold that down, will hold the bolt open like so. And then if you press it or slap it, it will send the bolt forward. Your selector here, safe, fire, safe, fire. So in order to fire your AR, you have to take the safety off and then press the trigger and she will fire. Here is your Kyle Rittenhouse special. You just press this and it will go into the grooves right here. It'll kind of push the bolt forward to make sure it's seated correctly, and then you're able to fire. This is your dust cover. Prevents anything from getting in there like dust, sand, whatever it might be. And then when you charge the bolt, it will open automatically. So you're ready to go.